Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a wig review on this beauty right here. This is the Cloud9 Swiss Lace What Lace Hair Illusion lace wig. I got it in the style Solana and in the color Burgundy Wine. This is a synthetic wig, by the way. I've tried synthetic wigs about 2 other times and I actually wasn't really disappointed with them. I've been seeing this wig all over YouTube, so I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like on me and to see if it's worth the hype. So I'm just going to unbox this and try this on with the lace before I cut it, just so you can just see the actual what it looks like straight out the box. I actually kind of cheated and I tried it on already because I just had to make sure the color was like cute before I like did a whole video on it. So I kind of know what it looks like, but not with the lace cut yet. So I'm just gonna get right into that now. Straight out the box, this is like what it's looking like. This is what the curls are looking like. I don't want to like run my fingers through it too much because, you know, synthetic wigs get tangly really easily and I want this to last me this weekend. So this is the color. It's definitely a pretty deep wine color. I mean, compared to this hair is like bright red. Well, it's actually not this red. It's actually kind of have a purple hint to it, but anyway, it's not about this wig, it's about this one. But I love the color on this. Like, this is the color like I always dreamed of having. Like, I'm obsessed with red hair. Like, if anyone knows me, they know that I love red hair. So yes, this is what it looks like, and this is the style card of one of the other colors that they have. I actually, by the way, got it in a color that's similar to this. It was the Flamboyage Chocolate, but it just didn't look right on me. The hair was just too light and I feel like it kind of washed me out. So then I seen another video of the burgundy one. I was like, I should have just got this. I wish I would have seen this earlier before I ordered the other one, because I would have got this on the first go around. So yeah, so that's the style card, and inside is just the, you know, the instructions on the specs about the wig and stuff like that. So it says it has a 3x6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tie, pre-plucked, natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave out necessary. So basically it's just saying you can just throw this wig on and not really do anything, like, you know how you have to customize some wigs. So basically this is just like a throw-on wig. So we're gonna really test that out and see. All right, so this is what it looks like, just slapping the wig on, not doing anything to it. I didn't cut the lace yet, so I just wanted to show you like the parting space on it and the hairline of it. So already what I know about this wig is that I can't wear a wig cap under it, because when I wear a wig cap under it, you can see that like line right there. So I have no wig cap on underneath this. I already know that I'm gonna have to use powder with this wig, and I'm trying. I don't want to really glue it down to my head, but I may have to depending on what it looks like. So I am going to cut this lace off and I'm going to put some powder on it, and I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like after that. And I'm gonna really go through it and like flip it and style it, whatever, to just see what it looks like without it having been glued down yet. And then if I have to glue it down, I'll glue it down and then show it again. All right guys, so this is the finished product of the wig. So in general, I do love this wig. I love the color. I love like the curls and like how it's flowing and everything. Like, I think that part is just beautiful. So just a couple of cons. Yeah, the only thing is like I can't really wear a wig cap underneath this. So I was like trying to like figure out how the best way to do it. Like, I have an elastic, like one of those elastic bands under it. It's not glued down one. So I had to put one of the elastic bands under it to kind of make it stay on. Yeah, this is like the parting space. I had to add in some powder. I mean, you can still see the holes, but I mean, that's a wig. I mean, on camera, obviously, it probably looks like scalp, but like if you get really close up to me, you can still see the holes. But I try to put as much powder on it as possible. But other than that, I think it looks great. It is a few snags. Like when I get towards the bottom, like when I was trying to like comb it back out, it was a few snags. That's kind of the flip over, but it's not really staying like over, so I don't think I can really like wear it as the flip over method. But I'm not trying to do too much because I have to make sure this looks good. But I mean, the middle is fine. Hey guys, so this is actually about 1 week later after I made the initial video that you just seen. So I basically just wanted to come back on camera to give a real accurate review of how this wig ended up being after the first day. So let me tell you now, I was kind of doing the most the day I did wear the wig. So I wore the wig out to some homecoming tailgates. So I was basically outside all day. I was just like whatever, drinking, probably dancing, and just hugging people. So like you can imagine that the wig got a little bit of tangly. And like I feel like I just got like drunk that day, so I think I slept in the wig. Bad idea. So you can imagine what it looked like the day after. So it was very hard like combing through the hair. So I guess it was partially my fault because I shouldn't have been doing the most. This is gonna be the second official day that I actually am wearing this wig. I'm probably just gonna put a hat on though, because I didn't glue it down. I don't really feel like doing that. I was scared. I was like, I ruined this wig. I can't wear it any other time. So, but I mean, it's pretty fine. I would definitely say like I would probably, and after this today, I want to get one more wear out of this wig. So I will say this is not an everyday wig. It is definitely not. I wish it was, but it's definitely not. You have to wear this wig on occasion. So yeah, so this is her. This is Solana. You can just, yeah, I really didn't glue it down, but you know, I mean, it's still beautiful. Yeah, see, we got little snags, but it was really a journey. Like, it was a lot combing this out. And I also noticed that like once I combed through it, like the curls weren't as curly anymore. So what I did after like I combed through it that first time, I just twisted it to kind of give it a little curl to it, and then I literally just took the twist out, and it kind of still like has this like little curl pattern. So I guess I can just you can just do that to keep the curl pattern. I did see someone who put like those big flexi rods in it, and I think you can, I mean, you could do that too, but I don't have time to do all that. So just twisting it is easier. So, oh, and I do want to say, correction, I did wear a wig cap underneath this wig, and I put the elastic band over top of it. This is the final results of her. Yeah, I just feel like I ended the last, when I did the first video, I feel like I ended it so abruptly. So I was like, I need to come back on camera to like really like close this wig review out, to give like an accurate depiction of my thoughts of the wig. So yay. I love it though. It's so beautiful, and I got so many compliments on it, like the color and everything. And I definitely, probably, more than likely will buy this wig again. So